Hey guys, here's a new set of gadgets. Are you ready? Today you'll see a cool accessory either for your bunch of keys or your car interior, and learn a new way to get rid of rust. There's also a premium watch that'll blow your mind, so watch the video to the end. As usual, all the links to the products are given in the description box. Let's go. Smart glasses are probably the next big thing in tech, especially if we see more options like this one called Mad Gaze. These glasses use AR technology to literally transform the world around you. The 800 by 400 transmissive display can easily replace your smartphone in many aspects. For example, it provides you with glanceable navigation, notifications, and even 1080 video playback. And with the integrated 8-megapixel camera, you can shoot photos and videos absolutely hands-free. See how wonderful it works with a drone? The glasses run Android 6.0, so you can expect a broad variety of optimized software. They also have 32 gigabytes of internal storage for some of your content, while the rest will be coming right from your phone. There are several ways to control the glasses. You can either use the multi-touch panel, 4 physical buttons, hand gestures, or even voice control. Guess the unusual look is not a big deal. Now it's time to say goodbye to traditional trash cans. They're just too messy, stinky, and overall really unpleasant to use. This trash can is equipped with an infrared sensor, so you never have to touch it. The lid pops up automatically when the sensor detects your hand. On top of that, this trash can will also seal the bag for you and then put in a new one. The special refill rings contain 25 durable and recyclable bags. This thing's large enough to allow 4-gallon capacity. However, if the trash can still gets overloaded, it'll manage to lift the top and seal the bag anyway. The 2,000 mAh battery needs to be charged only once a month. This makes regular trash cans look like trash. DIY fans, meet another challenge. This kit allows you to assemble a full-size gun model. It includes 172 precision-cut wood details. You'll also receive a step-by-step instruction. The gun is super detailed with its large magazines and its slidable forend. But the best part is you can shoot with this thing. Not actual bullets, but rubber bands, so it's absolutely safe. If you'd like to customize your weapon, you might paint it any color you like. This is a great way to improve both your assembling and shooting skills. This is the most stylish device ever. It's basically just a really clean-looking little cube. But most importantly, it provides you with light in any conditions. The cube is equipped with self-illuminating lights that don't need any electricity. The holes on the sides allow you to attach this thing to different laces or insert something. By the way, combined with beads, it also makes a great accessory. And it isn't afraid of water. And here's a great smart home item from Amazon. Echo Flex is a super compact smart speaker powered by Alexa. So naturally, it can bring you all sorts of useful info and access your smart home gadgets for voice control. The plug-in design makes this thing almost invisible. With the built-in USB port, you can charge your phone or attach optional accessories. The Flex also connects to all your Echo devices, so you can make announcements across different rooms. If you're concerned about privacy, the gadget has a special microphone off button. Moreover, you can manage all your voice recordings and delete them anytime you want, so you don't have to worry about Big Brother listening in. When it comes to our health, water quality is of great importance. But how can you really know if it's good or bad? This gadget makes it easy for everyone to control the water they drink or use at home. It's basically a super compact lab that quickly tests water for pH and TDS contents. All it takes is to just dip the gadget into the water and press a button. There are 4 display modes that'll show you the needed value along with water temperature. This thing is suitable not only for drinking water, but also pools, fish tanks, and so on. It's compact enough to carry in a pocket or bag. The included protective case will keep the gadget clean and always ready. Great relaxation depends on 3 elements: sound, smell, and light. So here's a gadget that combines all of them into an ultimate therapeutic experience. There are 3 modules to choose from: sleep, relax, and focus. Each of them brings a certain combination of aroma, music, and light that either boost your productivity or help you to chill out. The built-in aroma diffuser has 3 slots for the replaceable pods, and thanks to the air pressure technology, it doesn't need any water. The backlit ring is equipped with 40 LED lights, which support 20 base colors and numerous combinations. Plus, there are 3 brightness levels. As for the sound, you get a whole bunch of mesmerizing tracks and soundscapes in the mobile app. It also allows you to control the lighting, create schedules, and blend the scents. Finally, the gadget is compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Here's the most friendly weapon ever created: Toilet Paper Blaster. It allows kids and adults to have fun without damaging each other in any way. Thanks to the built-in water tank, the paper is seamlessly transformed into spitballs. Your ammunition is fully biodegradable. Everyone within a 30-foot range can possibly become your target. And you won't spend much of the precious paper. It only takes one roll to shoot more than 350 spitballs. Setting up the blaster is incredibly easy. You just install the roll and fill up the tank with water. The packaging includes 3 target cutouts so you can practice your skills before you show them to your friends. You know, traditional bulky wallets are definitely no good. Here's a smart alternative featuring a clean and modern look. Despite the extremely compact size, it's both your cash and cards. There are 6 individual slots that keep your cards neatly separated and organized. The buttons on top make sure you can quickly pull out the exact card you need. Moreover, the gadget comes with 18 icon pads, so you can choose any of them and stick to the wallet. Carrying cash is also easy and safe with the built-in sturdy clip. It fits up to 20 bills. Now your pocket will seem almost empty. This luxury watch is so sophisticated, it doesn't look like a watch. Instead of a regular dial, it has 4 crystal sapphire domes. 2 of these spheres display minutes and hours in the most elegant way. In front of them, there are 2 sleek turbines, which are regulating the complex winding system. The most stunning part, though, is the 60-second flying tourbillon, which is put in the transparent cupola on top. It's also covered with a retractable shield. With these smooth, curved lines, the watch imitates the most natural shapes of living organisms. It includes 475 components and 68 jewels. The highest-end edition features a high-grade titanium case along with red and white gold elements. Truly amazing. Katana-shaped shift knob stands out with both stunning looks and ergonomic design. The authentic ornament and dragon pattern on the cap are just cool. Another decorated element is the square aluminum handguard. Overall, the shift knob is really comfortable to hold thanks to the soft synthetic silk. Yet, high-quality materials are durable and tear-proof. This accessory suits most manual and automatic transmissions and different car models. The package includes everything you need for easy installation, from the adapters and screw to the hex key. Now you can drive like the racers in Tokyo Drift. Cleaning stuff isn't always that cool and exciting, unless you do it with an ultra-powerful laser machine. Here's a perfect tool for removing huge amounts of rust, paint, or oxidation in just a few minutes. It's absolutely indispensable for metal surfaces, especially the pipes that often need cleaning. On top of that, this thing is also suitable for stone, marble, and granite. Thanks to the enormous power of the laser beams, cleaning speed is up to 2 square feet per minute. Despite the fairly big size, the device is easy to move around with the built-in wheels. Plus, it's equipped with a large touchscreen that brings you all the settings. While you're working, you'll only have to deal with the lightweight and compact hand tool. Looks like a prototype of a superhero weapon.